Ready to bring your video projects to life with spoken words using Capcut's incredibly versatile text-to-speech feature. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open your project in Capcut, or create a new one. I've already got a project ready, but you can always import your footage first. Now, tap the text button at the bottom of your screen to open the text tools, then select the Add Text option. This will allow you to create a text box, where you can start typing or pasting your script. Once your text is entered, tap on the text box and select it. You can then choose the text that you would like converted into speech. You can edit the text appearance, but let's focus on the text-to-speech for now. In the editor options at the bottom, after choosing the text, there are several menu options. Scroll over to find the text-to-speech icon. Tap this icon to begin the magic. Here's where you'll find a list of voice options. Capcut offers a diverse range of voices in different tones and languages, giving you a lot of creative freedom. Experiment to find the perfect voice that matches your video's vibe. Pick the speech voice you want by tapping on it. Once you have selected the voice, it will generate the speech. To make changes after selecting the voice options, you can adjust the speech speed. You can also adjust the volume in the panel. You can also preview the audio before adding it to your project. After you edit your audio, tap the check mark to add the audio to your timeline. Then, just make any necessary adjustments to timing or volume. Now, your written text has been transformed into speech. And there you have it. You've successfully used Capcut's text-to-speech feature to transform your video. You can now add narration to your videos, create more engaging content, and add accessibility to all your projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow creators.